I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Get swept away, kiss your sweet lips every day, over and over again. Find a love that'll never end and have a few kids, settle down. Find a spot on the edge of town, sit on that porch swing, living life just you and me, girl, riding that edge, chasing that sun, doing time. Taking on the world, leaving no prisoners like Bonnie and Clyde. Ready, set, go, baby, time is wasting, but you and I get to making everything we want come true. Got one life and it's me and you, girl. No need to hesitate now. All we need will work itself out. Just you wait and see. It's alright. Just believe that you and I were meant to walk this road. So ready, set, go. There's no need to pump the brakes. I see our future, let's run out and take all it has in store. I've never wanted something more than what's here in front of us. Two crazy kids that can't get enough of a dream waiting to come true. Let's make it happen, see it through. I can see the finish line waiting up ahead. It's you and I cross it together, holding hands. Ready, set, go, baby. Ready, set, go, baby, time is wasted. But you and I get to making everything we want come true. We got only one life and it's me and you, girl. No need to hesitate now. All we need will work itself out. Just you wait and see. It's all right here, baby, just believe that you and I were meant to walk this road. Yeah, you and I were meant to walk this road. So ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Wanna be loved. Not many know how to handle me right. Oh, they think that they might, but they don't. Are you scared? Are you keeping it in? I'm not as far away as you think. You should know. There's not much to it. I'm not asking a lot. I'll take you through it. This is how I wanna be loved. Call me by my real name. Love me like your first love. Watch me bend and break. Tell me that I'm still enough. Say something poetic. Be so cliche, it makes me laugh. I'll give and I'm pathetic. That's how I wanna be loved. Love. Don't be shy, don't stay hidden away. If you have something to say, say it first. Tell me why, or don't tell me at all. Even in the silence we talk. We don't need words. There's not much to it. I'm not asking a lot. I'll take you through it. This is how I wanna be loved. Call me by my real name. Love me like your first love. Watch me bend and break. Tell me that I'm still enough. Say something poetic. Be so cliche, it makes me laugh. I'll give it, I'm pathetic. 'Cause that's how I wanna